The Fashion Management Program is for future leaders in the global fashion industry, people who want to build a career in fashion. You'll learn how to analyze business trends, understand how product lines are developed, manage supply chains, and make decisions that drive profitability for fashion brands. This program is all about preparing you for business roles, whether that's developing products, sourcing, or brand management.
During my time in the Fashion Management Program, I landed a role as a brand manager for Brave Souls, a sustainable footwear and accessories brand. The Fashion Management Program gave me the business knowledge, the industry connections, and the confidence to step into the corporate role and thrive.
You'll get hands-on experience through projects, internships, and case studies, giving you the skills and confidence to step into the fast-paced world of the fashion industry.